For years, you've been lied to. You've been told that discipline is this rare gift reserved for Navy SEALs and billionaire CEOs. That is absolute garbage. Discipline is not a personality trait, it is a skill, built on a clear, three-part system. If you struggle with procrastination, burnout, and self-sabotage, it's because your system is broken. Today, I'm giving you the 3 pillars of discipline that work every single time. We are replacing fleeting motivation with unbreakable structure. Watch to the end, because the 3rd pillar is the biggest mistake you are making right now and the key to long-term success. Pillar number 1, environment control. 130 minutes. Pillar number 1, environment control. Look around you right now. Your environment is either your best ally or your worst enemy. Most people rely on pure willpower to resist distractions, but willpower is a finite battery that drains instantly. Stop fighting the battle. We need to make the path of least resistance the path of greatest reward. Actionable steps. Is your phone next to your bed? Move it 10 feet away. The friction of having to get up is your first win. Do you procrastinate on work? Clear your desk entirely and only leave the single tool you need for the first high priority task. We are outsmarting our lazy future selves. Stop trying to be strong, start being smart by engineering your surroundings to force success. Pillar number 2, the tiny win effect, compounding. 145 minutes. Pillar number 2, the tiny win effect. You fail because you start too big. A 90-minute workout, a 1,000-word essay. Your brain instantly triggers resistance. Discipline isn't about giant leaps, it's about relentless, micro-progress. The tiny win effect is simple: start below the threshold of resistance. Commit to a goal so small it's embarrassing. 1 push-up. 2 minutes of writing. The real magic isn't in the task itself, it's in building trust with yourself. Every time you complete that micro task, you prove to your subconscious that you are a person who keeps their promises. These small bursts of successful execution create momentum, and momentum is far more powerful and reliable than motivation. You are not just building a habit, you are rewiring your identity as a highly disciplined person. Pillar number 3, the immediate reward loop. 130 minutes. Pillar number 3, the immediate reward loop. This is the secret the highest achievers understand. Your brain is hardwired for instant gratification, dopamine. If the reward for hard work is 6 months away, like a promotion or a new physique, your brain loses interest fast. The fix: create a reward loop now. When you complete a block of deep work, immediately reward yourself with something non-destructive. A 10-minute walk, your favorite song, a high-quality coffee. You are literally hijacking your own brain chemistry. You are teaching your brain to associate the pain of deep work with the immediate pleasure of the reward. This turns discipline from a burden into a positive feedback cycle. If you skip the reward, you break the loop. Master this, and your discipline will become effortless. Conclusion: 40 seconds, strong CTA. If you apply just one of these pillars today, your life will change in the next 30 days. Don't wait for motivation, build the system. Which of these 3 pillars are you committing to first? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this structure valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to the Discipline Code. It's time to stop executing randomly and start living strategically. Thank you for watching. Now go build your system.